You know, when the rain starts coming down, really coming down hard, have you ever stopped to think about where all that water goes? Off your roof, around your house?
It's something most people don't think about much, honestly.
Exactly. So today we're diving into downspout drainage services. It's basically the system that makes sure water gets channeled away from your home properly. It's surprisingly critical stuff.
Oh, absolutely. More than just plumbing.
Right. And our mission for this deep dive is to figure out why good drainage is so important, especially thinking about a specific place like Delta and all the good things it does for your home. We're basing this on info we found over at the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.
And it's key to remember, managing that water, it isn't just about keeping the roof dry. It's really about protecting your whole property.
Yep.
Right down to the very foundation.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit. Downspout drainage solutions sounds simple enough. But why does being somewhere like Delta make it more, well, complicated? Why does that local aspect matter so much?
Well, think of downspouts, like little water slides for your roof, getting the rain from the gutters down to the ground safely.
Okay, simple enough.
But in Delta, the ground isn't just any ground. We've got some unique challenges here. Really heavy rain in the winter, for one.
Right.
And then there's the soil, softened alluvial soil, sometimes with a lot of clay.
Clay, so it doesn't drain well.
Exactly. Low permeability. So water just sits there, or worse, it builds up pressure against your foundation walls.
Yeah.
What local experts know is these specific Delta conditions. They also know the local building rules, the bylaws.
Bylaws! There are rules for drainage.
Oh yeah, things like how far water needs to be discharged from the house, or maybe even needing to connect to the city's storm sewers. So a local pro ensures your system isn't just basic, it's actually built right for your specific spot in Delta.
That makes a huge difference. Generic solutions probably wouldn't handle that clay soil or meet those local rules. Okay, so this is where it gets really interesting for homeowners listening. What are the big wins? The really important benefits for you and your home when you get this drainage right, especially for Delta?
Okay, the benefits are, well, they're pretty straightforward and super important. First off, it keeps the bottom of your house strong, the foundation. Stops water from messing it up and causing cracks. No costly repairs down the line.
That's a big one.
Definitely. Second, it actually helps your house sell better later. A home with good drainage, it just shows it's been taken care of. It's like a plus point for buyers.
Makes sense. What else?
Third, it keeps water out of your walls and basement. You really want to avoid that dampness, mold growing inside, wet spots appearing. That's just a headache.
Ugh, mold. No thanks.
Fourth, it helps stop your basement from flooding. And with the kind of rain we get in Delta, that's a real risk if the drainage isn't good. Keeping downstairs dry is key.
Absolutely. Keep going.
Fifth, it stops your garden from washing away. Good drainage means the water goes where it should, not carving paths through your yard or washing away your topsoil. Keeps things looking nice and healthy outside.
Oh, I hadn't even thought about the yard aspect.
Yep. And finally, number 6, it means fewer bugs hanging around. Puddles and standing water near your house are like breeding grounds for mosquitoes and other little pests. Dry area, fewer bugs. Simple as that.
Those are all really solid, practical reasons. Okay, so thinking about getting this done, what should people keep in mind? Especially here in Delta, finding the right help seems crucial.
It really does raise an important point. When you're picking someone, that local knowledge isn't just nice to have, it's pretty essential.
Because of the rain and soil.
Exactly. They need to know Delta's weather inside out.
Yeah.
And they should recommend the right materials like strong PVC or maybe aluminum things that will actually last in our climate.
Right, materials matter.
And something else that's super important but often gets forgotten, regular maintenance. You absolutely have to clean out your gutters and downspout.
How often?
At least twice a year. Seriously.
Yeah.
If they get blocked up with leaves and gunk, even the best system won't work right. All that careful planning goes down the drain, so to speak.
Good advice. Okay, so we've taken a real deep dive here into downspout drainage. It's clear how vital it is, especially for homes right here in Delta, and how much it protects your property.
Yeah, and maybe connecting this back to you, the listener. Think about it. Are there any small signs you might be seeing around your own home right now? Little bits of water pooling near the foundation after it rains, or maybe a damp spot inside you've been ignoring. What could those little signs be telling you? What might your home actually need to stay healthy long term, considering how well, or maybe not so well, its current drainage is working?
It's a really great question to leave people with. And if you do want more detailed info or you're looking for local experts who understand Delta's needs, you can check out resources online like the Pacific Blue Mechanical website, which gave us the groundwork for our chat today.